This is a learning and exam preparation video for the IT Business syllabus. At the end of the video are practice assignments for you to prepare you from the exams. Please click www.intmace.com on the link at the bottom of this video to do the assignments for this topic.
Unit 5.3 Lean Production and Quality Management, HL only. Lean production. It is also called as lean manufacturing. It is an approach to operations management that focuses on cutting all types of waste in production process with the aim of greater efficiency. Lean production is of Japanese origin and was first developed by the automobile manufacturer Toyota, which became popular in 1990s. Less waste and greater efficiency features lean production. Examples of waste in lean production are time, waiting for the next stage in production or waiting for some elements to arrive from a different location. Transportation. The movement of half-constructed cars in a factory may not add anything to the production process itself. Product defects can need to be reworked or scrapped. Space, when too much stock is being produced and store, also called as overproduction. Inventory, with a much too high quantity of raw materials being purchased and stored before used. Energy, underutilizations of some machines, which is full at capacity would not proportionally require more power. Talents, not optimally using workers' skills and knowledge. Examples of greater efficiency in the organization's resources are: physical resources can be used more efficiently, especially without space for storage, which is doubly expensive. Human resources can be deployed more efficiently, for instance in reducing unproductive travel times between venues, which is also expensive and not environmentally friendly. Financial resources can be more efficient as for holding stocks ties up working capital, which means that money has its specific purpose. Methods of lean production. The following methods of lean production are continuous improvement, Kaizen, just-in-time, JIT, Kanban, and Andon. Continuous improvement, Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese origin similar to lean production, which the idea was developed by Toyota. It emphasizes on continuous change as opposed to just occasional changes. This process may involve suggestion boxes or competition to find suitable areas of improvement. Its main difficulty is the fact that it is difficult to maintain the necessary momentum over a long period of time. It requires high level of commitment and a sense of loyalty by the employees. The key principles of continuous improvement, Kaizen. It must be inclusive of all levels of hierarchy. The whole organization must adopt that management philosophy, not just group of managers or one department only. There should be no blame attached to any problem or issues raised, otherwise some employees may hesitate to make suggestions. Systemic thinking is needed in order to consider the whole production process, and not just some parts of it. Kaizen focuses on the process, and not on the end product. Just-in-time, JIT. It is a process of stock control by avoiding stock being able to get supplies only when necessary, and to produce only when ordered. It means that the company will not hold buffer stock, which contributes to the two pillars of less wastes. There is no waste of space in storage facilities, and greater efficiency, not having money tied up in stock. Kanban. It is a Japanese word that refers to one of the systems that supports JIT. A Kanban card is a message telling the factory workers to do a sequence of tasks, moving to the next stage of production or reorder some stock. It is not a tool of stock control but a tool to facilitate lean production. Andon. It is a Japanese term that refers to the signal, usually visual and electric or electronic, which inform workers, supervisors, maintenance staff, even managers, of a problem, typically a quality problem or some delay in process at a workstation. Like Kaizen and Kanban, the Andon system was also developed in Toyota factories. Other advantages of Andon. Workers on the production chain are immediately notified. Workers at all levels of the chain of command, including engineers. Supervisors do not need to spend time in monitoring production, their time would instead spent in problem solving. Feedback can be provided to all teams, even the ones that did not get involved in the specific incident. The whole organization learns from its problems and mistakes, which enables Kaizen, continuous improvement. Cradle-to-cradle design in the manufacturing. It refers to a recent approach to design and manufacturing based on principles of sustainable development, especially recycling. The term cradle refers to the production phase, which is the creation of the product. The term cradle-to-cradle suggests that products once used should entirely be recycled to create the same new product again. Several criteria that need to be fulfilled to receive official cradle-to-cradle (C2C) certification. The reutilization of material itself, recycling, trickily speaking. The amount of energy necessary for the recycling process, ideally renewable energy. The amount of water needed as part of the recycling process. The corporate social responsibility, CSR, of the company, for instance about fair labor practices. Quality control and quality assurance. Quality is a key component of operations management. Quality is important for a producer as it can lead to increased sale, repeat customers, brand loyalty, reduced costs, premium pricing. The term quality suggests that the product is reliable. It will not going to break down. Safe, it will not going to fail. Durable, it will last. Innovation, it is the leading way in terms of functionality or design. Value of money, you get what you pay for.
Practice assignments, exam prep assignments for the IBA Business Studies syllabus. You may now proceed to try out the exam preparation assignments. All assignments will be marked and feedback will be given. Should you need to speak to one of our tutors, send your email to administration@intmace.com. Please proceed to the link www.intmace.com at the bottom of this video to commence with your practice. Please click subscribe to our video if you find the content useful. All the best with your assignments.